Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make your website live on Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. Once you're inside your Wix account, click on Edit Site to access your Wix website editor. This is my current website. It's still unpublished. And to make this website live or publish it, before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting, like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. To make this website live or publish it, just click on this blue publish button on this corner and wait a moment. Now let's preview my website live. And this is how to make your website live on Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.